So it's really about getting a facilitated process of the rep thinking how they're going to drive the business. And you can see it's very collaborative based on the picture I put in. Telling, for many of us, and we know when our spouse tells us what to do, we either get selective hearing or we get busy doing something else. And telling is stuff like this. Why haven't you hit your numbers? Why haven't you done this? When you ask the why question, guess what? You never, ever, ever get a true answer. It sounds like you should do A, B, and C, or just do this. Well, in some cases you need to be directive, but if you really want to facilitate coaching, you see the difference of how it feels. You can ask yourself how you'd feel being in either of those situations. So the first step in the model, which I just left the copy up here, is self-evaluation. So when we come out of a call, when we want to start a coaching journey, which is what we'll start as today, is how do we develop a coaching plan, a development plan for a sales rep, but the approach applies to we're coaching after a call, coaching after a day, or coaching to build a plan. And really, let's say as an example, you come out of a sales call or you finish a day and you ask the rep questions like, what worked well? Where did you have success today? Because in many cases, sales reps don't know where they're having success or what they've done well. So you want people to start focusing and becoming self-aware as to what they're doing well. What worked well? What challenges did you face? How did you overcome them? How might you overcome them? And really the question to you guys to think, do you jump to giving feedback first, saying, okay, you did really well on this, you did really well on that, maybe you could improve this area. There's